I would definitely say we're all happy new homeowners. I really feel like the heart of the home is the kitchen, and our builder was truly able to match our individual styles.
I love a modern industrial spin, a large oversized island for entertaining. Plus I'm crazy about cooking and baking, so the stars aligned when I saw that cool industrial style vent hood.
And I'm kind of eclectic. I like a more warm and homey feel, but I also want it bright and modern. And that pop of color on the island is a great conversation starter. It's perfect.
I like more of a classic style, but still fresh and clean with modern finishes. And it's open and beautiful. And I gotta say, I get so much use out of that island for quick family meals. My home reflects me.
And me.
And me.